Yeah, shout out that money. I put it on money, I beat it with niggas, I beat it with $10 my dollar. I roll in the city, my nigga, you got me jimming, this shit on my mama. Give me some money, drumming them niggas.
Oh, that was gross. Oh, that was better. Sorry. You know that rapper thing now? When they make the phone ring?
You used to call me on my cell phone.
I don't know. I guess it can only do one. Or Post Malone. I want like a ringtone pack of that. You know, instead of like the ding, the like quiet ding for Facebook Messenger, and then like the bang ding 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 ding. It'd be sweet if you got like Hospin on no words for text messages. Post Malone for phone calls. I would do that. Post Malone from Taking Shots, I think it is. It's like I'm thinking there would be sweet ringtones on my phone. Maybe I'll try. I don't know how. Maybe I'll try to like get them going. Can I just take that, clip it out, and like import? Maybe I'll figure it out. Or if somebody out on the internet wants to figure it out for me and send me it, that'd be lit.
Hey, that shit was hard though, bruh.